Okay, let's be honest. How many of us have heard or been told that you're not good enough, or you can't do this, or you're not made for this? Yeah, Elsewood from Legally Blonde also heard that too. A sorority girl at Harvard Law. Impossible, right? But guess what? She just didn't prove them wrong, but also made it look iconic. Today we are going to talk about 5 confidence lessons we can take from elsewhere that not only help us stand out but also build a self-worth and self-belief that no one can shake. Because here's the truth. Elstree might have seemed delusional to others, but for her, they were crystal clear goal, a vision she knew she can make it real. And that's the energy we all need, and we are going to have it soon. You know what made Els unforgettable? That she never ever tried to fit into the crowd. When everybody around her wore black, she was wearing pink outfits. She had her tiny dog named Browser, and she walked into Harvard with a smile that says, "Yes, I belong here." When someone mocked her style, she said that whoever said orange is the new pink is seriously disturbed. She believed in herself so much that her uniqueness became a superpower. So here's the takeaway. Stop apologizing for who you are, your quirks, your styles, your vibe. That all makes you you. Confidence is about owning your personality, even if other people don't get it. Because if you don't celebrate yourself, why would anybody else? No one cares. Let's talk about the Harvard moment. Elle's boyfriend dumps her, and instead of crying forever, she was like, "Now I'm going to get into Harvard Club." Everybody around her laughed at her. Even her parents told her that Harvard Law, like law school, was for boring and ugly people and people who are serious. But Else didn't care. She believed in herself that other people's opinion didn't matter to her. That's the key. Your belief in yourself should be louder than other people's opinion. Sometimes your dreams might look delusional. People would think that you are too overconfident or too much or just delusional being. But Elle shows us that you don't need anybody to believe in your dreams. It's just you have to believe in yourself and in your dreams. Els could have quit hundreds of times when her ex mocked her, when professors didn't take her seriously. But instead of shrinking, she said,
And I'm a law student who just realized her professor is a pathetic asshole.
"Is that what real confidence really look like? Not avoiding challenges, but running straight to them." So the next time when someone's doubt you or tells you that you are not good in this, just smile, look at them, and say, "Watch me." That what Elle did, and that made her stood out. So here's something I really love about Elle is that yes, she is beautiful, she's bubbly and fun to be around, but also she was smart and hardworking. Remember that pink scented resume she gave to her professor and then said,
It's pink.
Oh, and it's scented. I think it gives it a little something extra, don't you think?
confidence isn't just about how you look or how you act, it's also about knowing your stuffs. Else worked hard, studied hard, used her knowledge, and crushed it. For us, that means to be prepared for the upcoming test, for the presentation, or something that you are passionate about. Knowing your stuff inside out can build a confidence that is unshakable because you know everything about that stuff and then you're not scared of it or you're not feared of anything about it. So your confidence is going to rise. One of the best Elwood's moments was when she helped her friend Paulette to get her dog back. She walked in like she is the attorney when she was not, and She speak with a fearless tone, and boom, no one questioned her. Like it was legit seems like she was a real attorney. Her confidence was unshakable. Confidence doesn't mean stepping on others, but it's actually lifting others up. Els teaches Paulette the bend and snap method, cheers for all of her girls, and make people around her feel stronger. So here's the lesson. When you're confident, spread that confidence around. And confidence is contagious. Help your friends, lift them up, encourage them, celebrate their small wins or big wins, whatever wins. Celebrate, encourage other, and be the person who says you have got this. Be uplifting rather than draining them. Elswood is the proof that confidence, self worth, self belief, and a little bit so called delusional can take you wherever you want. People might laugh at you, people might talk about you, people might laugh and roll their eyes on you, but at the end of the day, they can't ignore a person who is so self assured or who believes in themselves so much. So, start owning your uniqueness. Stop caring about others' opinion. Be smart, be hardworking, and when someone says that you can't do this, just say that, yes, I can. Watch me, smile, and leave. And remember, confidence isn't just about being the loudest in the room, it's actually about being sure of who you are. If Elsewood can turn her pink outfits and positivity into Harvard Law degree, you can do whatever you want. You can just achieve whatever big goal you have built in your mind. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like this and I hope you all work on this lesson I shared on this video, because if you don't, you're going to waste your 5 to 6 minutes that you have invested your time in this video. Watching this video, you're going to waste it if you are not making anything different then. So yeah, bye.